Hello and welcome. My name's David and I'm the teacher on this A1 course from Perfectly Spoken. Today, this is lesson 2 and we are going to learn the alphabet in English, and we are also going to practice some spelling. So first, let's look at the alphabet. In English, there are 7 important sounds you need to learn. So I want you to listen and to practice, repeat the sounds after me. The first one is A. A. The second, E. E. The third, E. E. The fourth, A. A. The fifth, O. O. The sixth, U. U. And finally, R. R. So from the beginning, A, E, E, I, O, U, R. Now, let's have a look at the letters that go with these sounds. And the first group is A. So we get A, H, J, K. Can you repeat? A, H, J, K. In the second group, E, B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V. Again, B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V. Very good. Now, this one is E, remember? So we have F, L, M, N, S, X, Z. Again, F, L, M, N, S, X, Z. Okay, the next one, just 2 letters, I. And we have I and Y. I and Y. The next one is only 1, and it's O. O. Then we get Q, U, W, W. Again, Q, U, W. And the final one is R. R. Right? Again, long. R. So just to go through from the beginning, we've got A, H, J, K, B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V, F, L, M, N, S, X, Z, I, Y, O, Q, U, W, and finally R. Ah. Okay, now I want you to practice and say the letters after each sound before me. So let's have a look again. Okay, it was A, E, E, I, O, U, R. And let's practice the letters again. You say them first. Okay, A, H, J, K. B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V. F, L, M, N, X, X, Z. I, Y, O. Q, U, W. And finally, remember, correct, R, R. Okay, very good. Now, in the next section, I want you to take a pen and a piece of paper. Okay, and I am going to dictate a sentence to you. Now, this sentence has 6 words. Okay, 6 words. So write down each word. Number 1, listen. L-I-F-E. Again, number 1, L-I-F-E. Number 2, I-S. Again, I-S. Number 3, S-I-M-P-L-E. Difficult. Again, S-I-M-P-L-E. Number 4, B-U-T. Again, B-U-T. Number 5, N-O-T. N-O-T. And finally, number 6, E-A-S-Y. E-A-S-Y. Okay? 6 letters. 6 words, sorry. Right. Let's see how we got on. I'm going to show you the words. Are you correct? L-I-F-E, number 1. I-S, number 2. S-I-M-P-L-E, number 3. B-U-T, number 4. N-O-T, number 5. And E-A-S-Y, number 6. life is simple, but not easy, like English. Okay, thank you. Now, the next section, I want you to watch this video, please. And after, we are going to do some practice. Okay?
What's your first name?
Jessica.
And how do you spell that?
Jessica.
Okay, thank you. What's your last name? What's your surname?
Cambio.
Can you spell that, please?
Cambio.
Okay, and have you got a middle name?
I do. Rose. Rose.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, please watch, rewind, watch the video again and listen again. And now, I want you to listen and repeat the questions that I was asking Jessica. So, the first one, what's your first name? What's your first name? How do you spell that? 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 What's your last name? What's your last name? Or what's your surname? Surname. What's your surname? Can you spell that, please? Can you spell that, please? Have you got a middle name? Have you got a middle name? Okay, so let's just go again. So, what's your first name? Jessica. How do you spell that? Jessica. What's your last name? What's your surname? Cambio. Can you spell that, please? Can you spell that, please? Cambio. And finally, have you got a middle name? Have you got a middle name? Yes, I have. Rose. Rose. Okay? Now, this time, I want you to answer the questions, please. So, what's your first name? How do you spell that? What's your last name? What's your surname? Can you spell that, please? Can you spell that, please? Have you got a middle name? Have you got a middle name? Okay? And then this time, I want you to ask me the questions. So, the first one. David. D-A-V-I-D. Diego. Yes, D-E-J-A-G-E-R. Yes, I have. John. J-O-H-N. Okay, so let's revise the questions again. So the first one will be, what's your name? David. How do you spell that? D-A-V-I-D. What's your last name, or what's your surname? Diego. Can you spell that, please? Can you spell that, please? D-E-J-A-G-E-R. Have you got a middle name? Have you got a middle name? Yes, I have. John. John. Okay, how did you do? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. In the next one, in lesson 3, we are going to study some countries, some nationalities, some jobs. I'm a teacher. What's your job? And the verb, the very, 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 very important verb to be. Okay, so I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.